Mario and I were just talking about doing more of these projects for the off season.
Yeah, I mean, if somebody is, they want to do one of these Honda 450s and then put the dirt bike 450.
What about the Yamahas like we did for Devin?
Yeah, or maybe they want to do a Yamaha, like a YFZR with the YZ450F.
Any type of hybrid build like this one here, if there's something special these guys want to see and they have a budget and they have an idea in mind, contact us.
Yeah,
we're looking for the next build video. So whatever you guys got for your winter projects and you need some help with, you need a professional like Mario and you'd like to see it filmed, and if you are a sponsor and you would like to have your name attached to these video series that we do, please reach out to us. We're not going to take just anybody for build videos though, right?
Yeah, I mean,
he shot my idea down. I want a snowmobile engine in my Renegade, but he said no.
One of the next things I want to do with these projects is build custom wiring harnesses, and I want to focus on the Honda and the Yamaha hybrids. So that's going to be upcoming. Nobody makes an 0405 kit. That's what we did here. I know that in the first video, it was said that we don't have kits available. Everything was kind of to build, install. And that is currently correct. But I want to put a kit together and provide for that. I also want to do, get my kit better for an 06 and up. More repetition with those kits. Those things should be available too.
Sure.
Just another piece of this.
And we don't typically see trail riders trying to do this conversion. It's usually the race community, whether you're an ATV motocross racer or an ATV cross-country racer. It's typically those guys looking to do some type of upgrade, hybrid, performance build. So if you're interested, you have the budget, you have the parts and the equipment, we'd love to assemble it and have it on video and make a series out of your build.
And one thing I want to mention too, we've got a if you're doing a cross-country build, hybrid, we don't do the aluminum tank. You can actually use the oversized clear tank. I have a Slickway
IMS tank.
You could use the IMS or the Clark, whatever that big, what are they, like 3 or 4 gallon tank. But you can retain that tank in your current setup. We can do the hybrid, and I have a slick way of how we can make it all work. So that'd be a really cool project too for somebody if they want to do that.
Awesome. And also what we plan on doing, we're quickly reaching 1,000 subscribers. So we're going to actually do our first giveaway build. No.
Well, service.
Service. We're going to do our first giveaway service, and stay tuned for the details on the giveaway and what you have to do to enter to win. But basically we're looking for ATV and snowmobile riders who need a shock
service.
Yeah, shock service done. Mario is offered his time to change your oil and seals and get that sucker up to par for this upcoming season. So stay tuned for the giveaway details. And if you have a project that you're interested in having us build and put on video, that's the goal. Get another project build going. Somebody else who needs a project like this done, we'd love to film it, put it up on YouTube. As always, guys, thanks for watching. This is Mario. Say goodbye, bud.